Today's title reveals two important things. Main health problem: age-related vision decline, including dry eyes, blurred vision, and retinal damage. Main promised solution: a single tiny seed that may help repair and protect the eyes naturally. For adults over 60, vision loss isn't just inconvenient, it's dangerous. It increases the risk of falls, medication mistakes, and even loss of independence. And many seniors rely heavily on eye drops that only treat symptoms, not the root cause. But emerging research suggests that one small seed may nourish the eyes from the inside out. A. Hook, first 30 to 60 seconds. After the age of 60, the eyes begin to deteriorate rapidly. Medical studies show that over 65% of seniors develop chronic dry eyes or vision decline, and millions face conditions like macular degeneration. When the retina and optic nerves stop receiving proper nutrients, vision slowly fades. And here's the alarming part. Most eye drops only lubricate the surface. They don't repair the microscopic damage happening deep inside the eye. But what if a tiny seed, smaller than a grain of rice, could help protect the retina and restore eye moisture naturally? Authority block. According to integrative physician Dr. Michael Greger, a nutrition researcher who has studied plant-based healing for over 25 years, certain seeds contain powerful antioxidants that nourish the eyes at a cellular level. In clinical nutrition observations involving thousands of patients, foods rich in omega-3s and antioxidants have shown improvements in eye hydration, retinal protection, and reduced inflammation. Setup: the science. As we age, the eyes suffer from oxidative stress. Tiny blood vessels in the retina weaken, and the tear glands produce less protective fluid. Without antioxidants and healthy fats, the eye's delicate tissues begin to dry, inflame, and deteriorate. That's why internal nutrition is critical. Debunking segment. Mistake number 1: relying only on eye drops. Scientific danger. Eye drops treat dryness temporarily, but don't repair retinal damage. Data. Long-term studies show drops may relieve symptoms but do not slow degeneration. Patient story. Many seniors report using drops multiple times daily while vision still worsens. Solution segment. The seed gaining attention among researchers is flaxseed. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and antioxidants that support eye lubrication and retinal health. Clinical nutrition studies show omega-3 intake may improve tear production and reduce dry eye symptoms by up to 30 to 40%. Simple daily plan. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed to oatmeal or yogurt. Consume daily for 4 to 8 weeks. Drink plenty of water for better absorption. This tiny seed works internally, helping the body repair and protect eye tissue naturally. Mid-video CTA. If you care about protecting your eyesight after 60, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your age or biggest eye health concern. This channel is dedicated to helping seniors stay strong, independent, and healthy naturally. Motivational closing. Your eyesight is more than vision. It's your independence, your mobility, and your ability to enjoy life without relying on others. Small daily habits like adding 1 tiny seed can help protect your eyes, reduce medical visits, and preserve your quality of life for years to come. Subscribe for more science-backed health tips for adults over 60 and start